Come on, house looking like that. She is doing the most. She is doing the most. OMG, what do she got on? Her lace front is all wrong. Give me the phone. I'm gonna take this hell of a picture. Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she's so fake. Girl, let me tell you what I got my mister. A baby boy, and it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. I'm in the middle of the floor. No shoes. What's up? I had to get cute today. I would buy jeans for our boots today. I had to keep it look good because my baby they just made it. Here you go, your new baby. Baby. I'm gonna get two today. Well, yesterday. Girl, did you get the glue today? Girl, be fed up. Mood trap. It's the 15. I got my food stamps. Got a brand new piercing. Brand new tap. With $95 on this weed plus tax. Bow. Anything go watch snap though. Go bring this canker on. Thinking that you better than I am. Well, then you think you're wrong. Whatever. You lie. My number. Boy, bye. What is wrong with you? Oh, shh. Be quiet. Hey, girl. You looking cute. Okay, we'll talk to you later. OMG, what do she got on? Her lace front is all wrong. Let me take this hell of a picture. Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she's so fake. My name is EMMANUEL, but my girlfriends call me Carly. The club before you told 11. Pre-game, then we party. Yes, I am the best, but you can't have this boo-boo. Sorry, cause TJ is my future baby daddy. Maury got my jersey dress on, but it match my press ons. Pound team, dark skin. We don't like them red bones. Don't look in my picture. New Abby got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut It Down. I'm with Team Back. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then it's Team he paying. What you saying? I mean, he might as well spend it on me. Cause you ain't looking like nothing, and you ain't looking like nothing. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Oh my God, what is wrong with her? OMG, what do she have on? Her lace front is all wrong. Give me the phone. I'm gonna take this hell of a picture. Got it. I'm gonna put this gang on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she's so fake. They look good with the leopard print on. I get it. Print on you. I get it. Your hair look like the jungle. Hair look like the jungle. So you want to get leopard print printed on you. Boy, bye.